Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. So today, well, first of all, I finished blocking my sweater. It is completely dry now. I think it took 2 days. I'm not sure. But let me stand it up. Let me stand up so you guys can see how it turned out. You see how it's not curly anymore? Do you see that? Ta-da! So I literally stopped recording on accident. I don't know why I did that. But that's the sweater and the very last project of this year. I was gonna say month, but technically it is the month. Anyway, today I am, yesterday I said, well anyway, today I'm going to be casting on my new sweater for sure. I know I said, yesterday I was supposed to do it and show you guys, but I didn't. But today I am definitely going to cast on for my new sweater. It's not a sweatshirt. I read over the pattern. Very confusing for me since I'm still a beginner. I don't know most of the terms, so it's a lot to learn, but I'm really excited to learn them and apply it and make the sweater. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then I'm also going to be filming a regular video today. I'm going to be filming my everything I created in the last 6 months of 2021, because, and that video will be going up the 31st, but I'm filming today, so after my Vlogmas I have that entire week to just chill, no filming, no nothing. So I'm going to get that done today. These are all the projects I'm getting ready to show. It's a lot. It's like, it is a lot, but it's not. I didn't realize I did that much though, but that's all the projects that I'm going to be showing for that video. And then honestly I'll just probably be knitting for the rest of the day, so there's really nothing else to say or show. So mainly going to be a time lapse of me starting my sweater, and then you guys will see like the end of the sweater in one of my videos in January maybe, or on my Instagram. I don't know, we'll just see. But that's what's happening today. Nothing special, but let's get it. Okay guys, it is advent calendar time. I got like 0 clips today, but I did start my sweater like I said I would. So this is how it looks so far. Super nice. I'm starting off with 4.5 millimeters, then I'm gonna go to 6 for the body. But I'm gonna do my advent with my sisters again. It is day 20. Why does my camera look like that? Why is it facing? Are my numbers always backwards?
Yes.
I don't ever remember it being backwards.
It's always like that because then it turns the right way when you edit.
But it's day 22 and yesterday's looked like this. Oh, this is the pretty one. That pretty yellow and purple color. So now we'll just see what color pops up on today's and go from there.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Alright.
Let me do a thumbnail real quick. Hold on.
Oh, wait. Is that the one I have? You have this color? In the silk?
Okay, anyway.
Is it the cognac color? I don't think mine is cognac. It's not.
This is cognac, dark cognac.
You know, I think mine is browner.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay. I have it out.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Look at this
This
blue.
is-
On blue.
I think this is my favorite one.
Nice.
This is beautiful.
Ooh. This is very cute. Like a beautiful blend of purple, blue, and green. I don't know. Yeah, I see some green at the bottom, like over here. Oh, this looks so good. Alright, so
John
Oh.
Wall.
But
John.
this is how it looks. I just showed you guys. This is literally, this will be my 3rd favorite. My first will still be day 5, then day 13, and then day 22. This is so beautiful. Are you kidding me? Redeemed.
It's like mermaid.
Yeah. Where's my... So this was yesterday's on, which was beautiful as well. And then this is how you fade. Okay, like where was this from like day 10 to now, basically. But that's these two. Let me see if I can. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. Oh god, I thought I would never be in love with any of the yarn again. This is so nice. Anyway, that is the end of this video. We literally have 3 more days and then we're done with Vlogmas. I'm so ready to be done. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.